My robot! Look, look, look! I asked for a plastic bag. You must put the thing inside a plastic bag for me, right? She never. She just put a plastic bag, throw the plastic bag out.
Nice.